Hello investors, welcome to the fourth video of how to analyze stocks on Sharply using stock reports. Now, in this video, we will focus on the technical step. In technicals, we provide data in five different sections, and the first section is price, return, and range analysis. Here, we provide price data, especially across different time frames. What is the low price? What is the high price? And where the current price is compared to those highs and lows. So, if you see the current price is in middle if we take the 1 day data, but it is really near the high if we take 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year data. Then we also provide the absolute returns in those time frames. We also provide CAGR for the time frame of 1 year or higher. And we also provide open, high, low, close data as well for those respective time periods. Here you will be able to find the distance from high as well as the distance from low. So higher the distance from low, better it is for the stock, and lower the distance from high, better it is for the stock again. And now let's move to the next section. It is about volume analysis. So in volume analysis, we provide very useful data points about the volume. We provide both NSE and BSE volume, and you can also see the combined volume as well. And for each day, here you will be able to find trade volume, delivery volume, total volume, that is the sum of both. Then what is the delivery percentage and what is the average weekly total volume, and you will also find the VWAP, that is volume weighted average price. Now, if volumes are significantly higher and delivery percentage is low, that means there is a lot of speculation going on in the stocks. So this volume data is very useful in finding out the institutional buys, or as like, is there any institutional interest, or is it just a speculation? The next section is the indicators. Here we divide the data in three parts: oscillators, moving averages, and patterns. Now in oscillators, there are total of 12 oscillators from MACD to CCI, Williams percentage R, and many more. And based on that, we provide the data like, are they providing bullish signal or bearish signal? And moving averages, we have exponential moving averages, we have simple moving averages, we also have hull moving average, and volume weighted moving average as well. And in patterns, we have total of 15 candlestick patterns. Now, as of now, most of them are giving neutral based on patterns, but oscillators and moving averages are showing very strong positive bias as of now. Now you can also generate the same data for different time frame ranging from 1 minute to 1 month. Now, as you can see, if I take the 5 minute data, the oscillators are showing negative bias as of now. But if I take the 1 day data, then they are very positive. On weekly basis, they are really positive. So on the longer time frame, the stock looks very strong, but in a very short time frame, there will be some bearishness on the chart. Now the next section is pivots. As we all know, pivots are useful in marking resistance and support zones on chart. Now pivots, again, we provide in different time frame from 1 minute to 1 month. And let's take the 1 day data, and we also provide pivots for different types. Like, there are classic pivots, there are Fibonacci, there are Woody, Demark, and Camarilla, and so on. And here, as you can see, these are the resistance levels, these are the support levels. You can use this prices and mark them on the chart, so that you can plot horizontal lines and mark your support and resistance levels. Now the final part here is the technical chart. Now here you can zoom in and zoom out using the scroll. You can also draw lines on the chart to mark support and resistance levels. Also, you can take it in the full screen, as you can see here. And you can do anything that you can actually do on the free version of the trading view. So this is the chart functionality that we provide. You can see the price data across different time frames. You can measure the moves, like how many percentage, how many candles, how many bars. And you can also change the chart type. This is candles. You can change it to line chart. You can change it to bars. So all the free functionality of TradingView is provided in this charts. Yeah, so that's it. That concludes this technical part of the stock report. And as you can see, from price to volumes to pivots to chart, everything is provided. And this will in turn help you analyze the stocks on a technical basis.